I know a lot of you use crypto, so what I'll ask you to do while you're trying to do your P2P or whatever transfer you're doing from a crypto app, do not send it from your crypto app all the way. Voila, your money is on its way. What's up guys, it's the JJ. You want to fund your Grey Naira to Naira so that you can be able to convert your Naira balance in Grey to USD or whatever currency you want to. You have to go to your Nigerian bank account and send money to your Grey Nigerian bank account in your Grey app. So I'm just using my desktop for convenience. You can do it in your phone application. So just come over to your dashboard like this, like we have it here. Let's refresh it again. You come over where it says NGN, you click NGN and you click on add money. Once you click on add money, click on add via bank transfer. Once you click on add via bank transfer, you'll be brought to this page that shows you your account details, your Naira account on the Grey app that you can fund from your Nigerian bank account. So my advice I'm going to give you here is that do not fund your Nigerian Grey account in your Grey. Do not fund it with a third party like from other people. I know a lot of you use crypto, so what I'll ask you to do while you're trying to do your P2P or whatever transfer you're doing from a crypto app, do not send it from your crypto app all the way to your Grey Naira app. Yes, because they are going to reverse it. They are doing this in an effort to minimize fraud. So you can see the instruction here. Your NGN account only accepts first party deposit. That means you should fund your account once the system recognizes your name funding your own Naira account in your Grey, is going to accept that. Once the system notices it from a third party, from another person, from another name funding your account, it's going to reverse it back. And once it's funded, you come all the way here, you click on this NGN again, you see your Naira balance available, right? So if you want to convert your funds, right, you just come to this NGN because you sent Naira here, click on this NGN and click on convert funds here. And make sure you have it in Naira here because you want to convert Naira to another currency, and you choose what currency you want to convert it to over here. Here on my desktop is showing me United States and NGN, but on the phone application you can be able to see that. I don't know if it's the fault of my laptop or whatever. So on your phone app you can see different currency. You can see United States dollars, you can see British pounds, you can see euro, you can see USD and USDT. So just for you to know, it's not the United States because this is what my desktop is limiting me to. So we just want to convert it to, I just want to convert it to USD. I click USD. So I put in the amount in Naira here. I want to convert it to, let's say the whole thing, 9,003, 9,006. 30, yeah, and the conversion fee, you can see the conversion fee is 96 Naira. When you're ready, click on continue. And what is this for? You can just choose anything that fits your narrative. Let's just say this for bills. You go down all the way here and enter the narration, what type of bill, yeah, enter it is optional. In my case I do not want to, I just want to convert it, so you just click convert money. Voila, your money is on its way. You've converted it. So back to balances to see your newly converted USD. Back to balances, you can see we've converted it to USD. So that is how to convert your Naira to USD on the Grey app. Make sure you follow my playlist 2.0 transaction to learn how to spend with less stress and less cost. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share this information with those that need it. Turn on notification to be notified on my next video like this. Until I come your way next time, it's the JJ. Peace.